Hello my dear students. In the last class of current electricity, I think we will complete the chapters with last use of potentiometer, and we are repeating this potentiometer for the third time. I think I needn't explain this diagram again. Potentiometer instrument I have shown you. This constitute nothing but number of wires, nothing else, like 1, 2, 3, 4 wires or 6 wires or 10 wires. More the wires, more is the sensitivity. However, there are two terminals of the potentiometer A and B, and this circuit which is connected to the left of this one in red color, as I have specified, is which circuit? This circuit is called as this circuit is called as primary circuit or auxiliary circuit, primary circuit, which constitute a cell or battery of higher potential in comparison to the battery connected in the secondary circuits. Now, one battery or eliminator, so called, which converts AC to DC, we have already read the semiconductor. However, we call it is a battery of high potential connected across the terminals AB across रे केवल गोटे battery लागिबो along with a key switch, one ammeter to measure the current, one rheostat for adjustment of the current. Okay, this is the primary circuit of this instrument. Now we will consider the secondary circuit for different uses of the potentiometer. We have used comparison of two EMF by connecting some EMF in the secondary circuit. Now we will come to the last use, measurement of internal resistance of a cell. We have already read the internal resistance. Internal resistance of a cell, we have calculated formula. Again, I will repeat it in this case, and I will slightly explain also, because I think you have forgotten everything. So I want to repeat that some internal resistance of the cell, such that we can explain this very nicely. Okay. First, there is a potentiometer and there is an auxiliary circuits or primary circuit. These two are must before going for the experiments. Now what happens, a current is first, what you have to do, the key is closed, a key taku close karibo, mane switch is on. Then what happens, the current starts flowing from plus to minus across this bridge. Forget about this one now, so it is not connected. So that here, so the current will start flowing across this wire, potentiometer wire. If connection is very tight, then we can say there is a current across this, and current, let it be I. So by fixing this rheostat, I can fix up the current. Now the principle of this, again I am telling, the principle of potentiometer, whatever the questions may be asked, you have to first, you will be asked, what is the principle of potentiometer? The principle of potentiometer, that means when current I say flows across this wire, across this resistance wire of the potentiometer, there is a potential drop, or we can say potential fall, potential develop karibo, because current across any resistance will give you the voltage. So that voltage will be developed across this resistance wire or potentiometer wire. Now the theory says that the potential drop V, potential drop or potential fall across any 2 points of this wire is directly proportional to length, and we have got a formula V equals to KL, where K is a constant called as V by L, potential gradient, but you should know the formula for this. I rho by I rho upon K is I rho upon A, area. Rho is the specific resistance of this conducting wire of the potentiometer, it is constant. A is the area of cross section of the wire, it is constant. Now I is the current flowing across the circuit, I am making it constant, that's why this is K is constant, forget about this. And constant, remember, for a particular current, this is constant for this instrument. Okay, for a particular current, for a particular current, if you fix the current, rho and A being constant for this wire, the K becomes constant for this फॉर दिस केस व्हेन दिस स्विच के इज क्लोज कला पर जो करेंट फ्लो करिवो फर्स्ट आमे फिक्स करछु करे करेंट को टेक एन एग्जांपल से करेंट इज 30 milliampere we'll give some small currents so 30 milliampere so very small currents will use so that means you will fix the current so that V proportional to L potential difference across any two sections of this wire is directly proportional to length this is the principle ए गोटिए प्रिंसिपल सबू जाक यूज करा होची now I am removing the K and जानिले जे K टा constant एटा गोटे पूरा constant इंस्ट्रूमेंट पई पर्टिकुलर करंट पई आमे चाहिले सेटा चेंज हबनी now we'll start the experiment start हेनी इनिशियल कंडीशन इज ओवर ये दीटा सब बळ पई कनेक्शन हे गला करंट फ्लो कला गोटे करंट मेजरमेंट कला now let me have a cell I want to find out the internal resistance of a cell मु एई सेल रो इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस बाहर करिवि जदि इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस बाहर करी माने ए सेल संगरे तार निजर गोटे रेजिस्टेंस अछि वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ए सेल now here what I have done I will connect this to this terminal A now here you see there is a switch I am writing switch or key switch जहाँ key सही है मुझे चेहरा बदल दे थोड़ा switch रो so this is switch or key K or key K so you can call it a switch मुझे लेकिन जानिया पाई खाली switch now switch is open that means this part is detached from the circuit ये एटा लागिनी circuit रे connection है ही नहीं देखो detached so the resistance I have taken here is detached now cell is only connected in the circuit this much केवल सेल है सेल लु करंट ड्रॉ हो नहीं यू कैन सी दिस फिगर अगेन हियर इज ए सेल डिफरेंस देखो हियर इज ए सेल दिस इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस so EMF is E there is no current drawn from the circuit R so there is no current there is no circuit किछि लागिनी external resistance it is external resistance but it is not connected then in this case the terminal potential difference terminal PD is equal to V is equal to E we have read this one and when this is connected the current I will apply this principle there current I say resistance rakhi chhe the current I flows across this and in this case the V is equal to E minus IR we have already read this one V is equal to E minus IR so that here R is the internal resistance of the circuit and R we have got an expression eta be eti lekhiya padibo we have got an expression like this so in this case eta tike bhal lagi buझ when there is no current in the circuit means this is detached circuit रे resistance connect होउनी किसी current draw हो नहीं so I becomes 0 so V equals to E but whenever the circuit is connected this resistance is connected then this formula will be taken into consideration this concept will be utilized in this case एथि कहिथिली internal resistance टिके पढ़ी दबो now come to this point now first you close this key allow the current to flow across this and this condition is satisfied V proportional to L or V is equal to KL K is constant for this instrument now consider the secondary circuit eta key circuit eta secondary now here is the cell of EMF E and internal resistance R here is a galvanometer now switch is open now you take the so here you can take any length say J adjust across this one kali kahithili this is a jog key this is a connection and this is a key like key it is slided over this you can find at a point on the wire in which the galvanometer shows null deflection in that condition the length AJ सही condition रे null deflection बाहर करबा adjust करके so in that condition when S is open बुझु था ठीक से S टा ओपन कराई छे रेजिस्टेंस लागी नाही so that in that case let balance point balance length केते हबो AJ is equal to say L1 you can measure it एटा मेजर करी हबो केवल एतिक ही मेजर करिवु A एमती 100 आउ जहाँ ये स्केल देखा जहाँ लेंथ हो सो ये भी लिखिले हम ये देखे देखे ये दौनी आर बुझा पड़ो तुमको सुविधा एमती क्रॉस करके मुझे क्रॉस कर गली मुझे लेली मन कर ये आर्बिट्रारी मुझे नौ ए जे दिस मच लेंथ इज L1 सो दैट यू आर गेटिंग द नॉल डिफ्लेक्शन से केस रे ए दुईटा पॉइंट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस नाही एटा गोटे पाथ देख एटा गोटे स्ट्रेट लाइन पाथ आउ एटा EMF देकी पाथ EMF तेणु ये EMF जहाँ ये वोल्टेज डेवलप है कारण यहाँ कनेक्शन है ही नहीं सो V इज इक्वल टू KL यार V इज इक्वल टू E बिकॉज नथिंग इज कनेक्टेड अक्रॉस दिस वन सो इन दिस केस व्हाट हैपेंस सो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V इज इक्वल टू KL1 is equal to E1 we can say V is equal to KL1 implies that E is equal to KL1 equation 1 hello so in general I can write here E is equal to V is equal to KL1 the first balance point we are getting here no current is drawn by the cell ru kichi current draw kara houni because this resistance is not connected switch is open now in the next step switch you close the switch ei dhala kebala experiment aau kichi experiment nahi this much is the experiment now you close the switch kon kariya ye switch ta press kari diyonti press you are closing the switch that means this circuit is closed this resistance is connected from the resistance box जहाँ गोटे resistance value theory पाई मु R नहीं ची it may be 10 ohm it may be 20 ohm it may be 5 ohm at the time of practicals will tell that so this is a resistance taken from resistance box that's why box shape record ची the resistance is connected the switch is closed that means some current will flow across this you see this circuit the current will flow across this it will draw some current here from this battery resistance किसी current draw करिवो draw कले कौन हबो in this condition V equal to E minus IR एटी V is equal to KL1 E is equal to V होउथला किंतु एटी V is equal to E नुहे because this resistance is connected some current is drawn from the cell that's why as you have drawn in case of internal resistance the cell in this case V is equal to E minus IR we can say so that here the you can adjust this key can be adjusted eta balance point heithila this length cannot be balance point L1 then you can adjust it again you can adjust it you can take to this point to see the zero deflection you can get a point say J dash anywhere more arbitrary take J dash then this length changes here this length you can apply this principle but V we can say here V equals to close so V A J dash is equal to L2 so V equals to KL2 equation 2 but V is equal to E minus IR in this case because this resistance is connected across the cell एति केवल difference प्रथम डारे रेजिस्टेंस लागबनी सेकेंड डारे रेजिस्टेंस लागिले करंट ड्रॉ करिवो देन V टर्मिनल वोल्टेज करंट विल बी देयर सो टर्मिनल वोल्टेज इज नॉट इक्वल टू EMF एज इन दिस केस इटा चेंज हो जिवो सो इफ यू सॉल्व इट मु सॉल्व करूनी यू हैव डन दिस वन you have if you solve it again see R equals to मन अच्छी फॉर्मूला E minus V by V into R ये फॉर्मूला सॉल्व कले इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला वी हैव गॉट इट अर्लियर so this is the formula for internal resistance now you can take R equals to E देखो है ठीक KL1 minus V ये फॉर्मूला डिराइव है आगुरु एइथरु बाहरी जीव फॉर्मूला शीघ्र इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस माइनस V केते KL2 whole divided by V KL2 into R this implies that I am getting a formula you can see here I am getting a formula R equals to K can be taken common can be cancelled with this one so L1 by L2 by L2 into R केवल एठी हमको दरकार देख L1 is the balancing length when AS is open When switch is open, means no resistance is connected across the cell. Cell is plain connected. किसी resistance ताकि से लगे बनी, current किसी ताकि draw करी बनी. So that you can get the balance point. Second step, now you close the S, switch close करा, ये resistance will draw some current from the cell. Then V is not equal to E. V is equal to E minus IR. So that internal resistance you have calculated like this. In this condition, balance point may be changed. Adjust its jockey over that. You can get the null deflection or zero deflection. So that balance length will be L2. Now accordingly, the V is equal to KL2. E is equal to KL1. But because E is equal to V here, because there is no current drawn in this case. But when current is drawn, this formula should be adopted. V is equal to KL2 and this can be substituted here. In this formula for internal resistance, E is equal to this much, V is equal to this much. If you substitute here, you can get this formula. Now L1 is the balance point or balancing length. You can measure from this wire by means of the scale. When the switch is open, means no current is drawn from the cell. First. Second कौन करिवो ना switch को close. Second कौन करिवो ना switch को close कर दबो. Close कले कौन हवा पुणे adjust करिवो so that you can get a new balance point. That is L2. So that L1 minus L2 by L2 into R you have given here. It is known 10 ohm. Generally 10 ohm ame do. Internal resistance. Generally we give the 10 ohm. So this is approximately 10 ohm. So that anyway we can give at the time of experiment actually. So that if you give this one, balance point will be L2. Only if you know L1 and L2, experiment सांगे सांगे हबो. Switch open कर दबो, adjust करिवो, length नहीं जीवो, null deflection. galvanometer दिया जी null deflection देखिया को zero deflection, no current flow करिवो across this. तो नहीं जीवो L1, तापर कौन करे switch close कर दबो, resistance दे दबो, पूरी balance point देखी दबो. तो balance point देखी दले सरा L2. आउ कौन अच्छी की L1 minus L2 by L2 into R. Very simple experiment I think. देखा जीवो बड़ा experiment is very simple. Now in this manner, knowing L1, L2 and giving R, we can calculate the internal resistance of the cell. जार interest अच्छी माने रखो, जते cell हमें supply करिवा, internal resistance will be within 10 ohm. 6 ohm, 7 ohm, 8 ohm like this, very small. The internal resistance of the cell can be found out. Okay. Now this is the way by which we can do this. And this is the arrangement. ଆଉ देखे कि ये अरेंजमेंट एते डरियर नहीं काहे कि ना ये अरेंजमेंट बहुत सिंपल खाली पोटेंशियोमीटर एंड रे गोटे बैटरी अप्लाई हबो सेल बैटरी करंट फ्लो करे बता दे केमती फ्लो करिवो बट बैटरी देले बैटरी लगेई देलो कंट्रोल केमती करिवो रियोस्टेट लगेइवो मेजर केमती करिवो एमीटर लगेइवो जतले गपिवो एक्सपेरिमेंट न करिवो कोन करिवो स्विच ऑफ कर दबो सो एइथिबाई ए सर्किटटा दिया हैछि नहले खाली बैटरी देले भी करंट फ्लो करिवो किछि न देले हैला देन वी कैन कंपेयर ईएमएफ जहाँ तमे कंपेयर करिवो कि जहाँ करिवो ए सेकेंडरी सर्किट रे करिवो सेकेंडरी सर्किट लगेइवो गाल्वानोमीटर देकी खाली जॉकीटा तापर स्लाइड करिवो पर जीरो डिफ्लेक्शन दिस इज द एक्सपेरिमेंट सो हियर द किरचॉफ्स लॉ application to Wheatstone bridge. It is very clear, I think. Application to Wheatstone bridge, Kirchhoff's law and application to Wheatstone bridge. We have already P by Q is equal to R by S. Then we have got through the meter bridge. Meter bridge is very common applications of Wheatstone bridge. You will do the experiment in the practicals. And potentiometer again very nice instrument by which we can measure the internal resistance of a cell or we can compare the EMF. Both are included in your syllabus in the practicals. You will do all the experiments in the laboratory. So we are completing all the experimental arrangement. Now I am removing the auxiliary circuit. कहला एटा न देले काम करिवो कि नहीं सर्किट किछि काम करिवनी करंट तो फ्लो करिवनी आकु कोन कंपेयर करिवो ये सब पछ कथा आसी जिवो हैला सो हियर we have completed this chapter. Before that, let me tell you the importance part of this chapter for this time. Kirchhoff's law, its application to Wheatstone bridge to find the balance condition of the bridge. I will review. Now I am reviewing this. What a question karibi abhika. Review. ना बालान्सड एटा सबुठी इंपोर्टेंट बहुत न्यूमेरिकल्स देइछि जदि किछि डाउट अछि पोस्ट कर बालान्स ह्यूस्टन ब्रिज टिके मने पकई दिए मु कहिथिली एमती मने रखिबो बालान्स ह्यूस्टन ब्रिज एटा ला अरेंजमेंट है हे पारे गाल्भानोमीटर एटा भी हे पारे गाल्भानोमीटर जहाँ भी लगी पारे पी नियो जहाँ नियो क्यू आर एस बालान्स कंडीशन होची बालान्स कंडीशन ये मने अच्छी बालान्स कंडीशन P by Q is equal to R by S. This condition, when this condition is satisfied, now Ig equal to 0, no current will flow through this, so this can be removed from the equivalent circuit. In balance condition, this by this is equal to this by this 50 थर कहले एटा भूलिबनी जेते एंट्रांस एग्जाम हबो भी कि जो एग्जाम हबो यू कैन हैव द ह्यूस्टन ब्रिज बिना ह्यूस्टन ब्रिज रे करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हुएनी तेणु जी ह्यूस्टन ब्रिज को बुझीनी बढ़िया मन रखे उपाय दिस बाय दिस माने दिस रेजिस्टेंस बाय दिस रेजिस्टेंस दिस रेजिस्टेंस बाय दिस रेजिस्टेंस आउ मीटर ब्रिज रे मु कहिछि दिस रेजिस्टेंस बाय दिस लेंथ कारण एटा गोटे ओआर थिला ओआर को हमें भाग करथिलु तो एई रेजिस्टेंस टा हमें नै परिबा एल इनटू आर एटा नौथिले 100 माइनस एल इंटू आर आर इज द मन पकाट के रेजिस्टेंस पर यूनिट लेंथ से केस रे कौन होतला पी बाय एल इज इक्वल टू क्यू बाय 100 माइनस एल ये आर दार कटि जीव तेणु दैट रेजिस्टेंस बाय लेंथ आल्सो कैन बी यूज रेजिस्टेंस बाय दिस लेंथ ऑफ द वायर एही सेंस रे आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड मेनी थिंग्स इन द लास्ट क्लास. So let me solve a numericals this time has been asked in the NEET 2021. Last year भी पढ़ी थिला ए वर्ष भी पढ़ी मु क्वेश्चन लेखुची देख केते सहज क्वेश्चन हेइथिबो भाबुच क्वेश्चन लेखुची मु तापर आंसर करबा देख ए रेजिस्टेंस क्वेश्चन एटा अछि नीट काली 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 एग्जाम रे थिला बहुत क्वेश्चन बढ़िया बढ़िया क्वेश्चन अच्छी करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बहुत क्वेश्चन अच्छी सब जगह तुम कर जे खाली शुणी थी आ कॉन्सेप्ट कथा गुड़ा शुणुव आई थिंक जहाँ क्वेश्चन पढ़ी कर आहरी बढ़िया इंटरेस्टिंग सेमी कंडक्टर जो मैंने पढ़ी सेमी कंडक्टर जहाँ जहाँ मुझे क्वेश्चन देती जो कॉन्सेप्ट कही 3-4 क्वेश्चन सबू कॉन्सेप्ट रू पढ़ी आउ दिस टाइम क्वेश्चन इज वेरी कॉन्सेप्चुअल दोज हु फील द concept or understand the concept very clearly, they can answer the questions without going for rigorous numericals. Rigorous numerical किसी questions नहीं 1 minute रे 1 questions is very easy to solve. So here question आगे देखो a resistance wire connected मैं एक कथर करी दोची से question टा लिखुनी मु बहुत टाइम लगिवो a resistance wire connected in the left gap एटा left gap दीटा gap था एटा लेफ्ट गैप एटा राइट गैप मीटर ब्रिज एक्सपेरिमेंट रेजिस्टेंस वेयर कनेक्टेड इन द लेफ्ट गैप ऑफ ए मीटर ब्रिज balances a 10 resistance in the right एटा x एटा 10 ohm in the right देइछि at a point which divides the bridge wire एटा wire मीटर ब्रिज जो wire टा था मने अछि एटा राइट गैप एटा लेफ्ट गैप एटा ओआरटा एटा कोनटा ओआरटा एटा एटा मुटे शॉर्टकट सर्किट करछि माने अछि त ओआर देखै दो इंस्ट्रूमेंट आउ थरे माने पड़ जीवो ओआर द राइट गैप एट ए पॉइंट सॉरी ए रेजिस्टेंस ओआर कनेक्टेड इन द लेफ्ट गैप ऑफ ए मीटर ब्रिज balances 10 ohm resistance in the right gap balances at a point which divides the bridge wire एटी जो गाल्भानोमीटर आनिबो गाल्भानोमीटर ब्रिज वायर को 3:2 रे डिवाइड करुची 3:2 एटा 3 भाग एटा 2 भाग रे भाग करची लेंथ देइनी इफ द लेंथ ऑफ द रेजिस्टेंस वायर जदि x रा लेंथ इफ लेंथ ऑफ x is 1.5 मीटर तामाने ये जो x टा देइची एटा अननोन वायर टा लेंथ ऑफ x एटा x लेंथ टा देइची Just a minute. Just a minute. If length of the resistance wire is 1.5 meter or length देइछि resistance wire a wire 5 meter, then length of 1 ohm resistance wire ताहले आरी 1 ohm रो length केते कुह बुझी पाइलो चॉइसेस अछि लेंथ ऑफ वायर देइछि मो चॉइस भी दउछि चॉइस देइछि 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, 2 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, 3 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 1 meter. एमती क्वेश्चंस देखिबो मो एमसीक्यू टेस्ट कला बेलकू सहज किंतु टिके बुझी सार ये चारटा चॉइस देइछि क्वेश्चन आथर पढ़ी दउछि ए रेजिस्टेंस वायर कनेक्टेड इन द लेफ्ट गैप of the meter bridge balances 10 ohm resistance in the right gap at a point को point रे ना which divides the wire 3:2 ratio रे एपटे 3 भाग एपटे 2 भाग. if the length of the resistance wire जदि एई wire रो length टा 1.5 meter हुए then length of 1 ohm of the resistance wire is ताले 1 ohm यार x ohm रो resistance जदि 1.5 हुए कुह 1 ohm रो लेंथ केते टिके लेंथ पचारि बुले की सो दैट हियर जदि मीटर ब्रिज मने नहीं ये गैप फैप कथा टिके भी देखे दउछ गैप एक्सपेरिमेंटल क्वेश्चंस देख पूरा एप्लीकेशंस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन सब फंडामेंटल्स एइट गोटे गैप अछि एइट गोटे गैप अछि आ एइटा वायर एइटी बैलेंस पॉइंट टाकू 3:2 रे डिवाइड करछि एपटे 3 भाग सेपटे 2 भाग एमिति रे सेटा डिवाइड होउछि ताले सो केमित करिवा आमको जहाँ फॉर्मूला अच्छी लिखा देख सॉल्यूशन केते इजी यू सी द सॉल्यूशन किछि डिफिकल्ट नहीं तो आमर होछि आमे जानिछु x by 3 this by this is equal to 10/2 if you solve it x is equal to 15 ohm होनी कि देख 3 मल्टीप्लाई हे 30/2 x है 15 ओम ताले ए रेजिस्टेंस टा है 15 ओम एतिक आम बोर्ड परीक्षा पड़ी आउ पचार ये जो वायर टा अच्छी रेजिस्टेंस वायर माने मु देखई तुमको एमती रेजिस्टेंस वायर प्रैक्टिकल यूज हम से जो रेजिस्टेंस x हूँ 15 ओम ता लेंथ देइछि ता लेंथ केते देइछि ना द लेंथ इज गिवन एज 1.5 मीटर ता माने 1.5 15 ओम 15 ohm is 1.5 meter 15 ohm resistance correspond to 1.5 meter 1.5 meter length रा 15 ohm बाहरिला से पचाची 1 ohm resistance केते 1.5 by 15 एटा केते हबो डिवाइड कले कहलो एटा हबो 0.1 meter 0.1 meter is 1 into 10 to the power 1 meter so this is the answer 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 1 meter एटा खाली टिके बुलेई देब कौन एटा सीधा सीधा क्वेश्चन से जो वायर रेजिस्टेंस प्रैक्टिकल बाहर करिवो मोर बाहरला 15 ओम रो लेंथ से देइछि 1.5 मीटर से कहूछि जदि 15 ओम टा 1.5 मीटर हुए ताले 1 ओम रेजिस्टेंस टा केते लेंथ रु बाहरिवो तो केते लेंथ रु बाहरिवो ना जदि 15 ओम टा 1.5 मीटर हुए 1 ओम टा एतिक लेंथ रु बाहरिवो so that is a very easy questions I think meter bridge is very important see not for your board questions not for in general examinations but it is very important also for entrance examination this question has been asked this times in NEET aau je NEET questions dekhibo am notes dekhibo I think you can do everything if you go details about the notes and assignments okay thank you all next we'll go for a new chapter and the magnetic effect of electric current. Thank you all.